Okay, so this YouTube video is trying to help you clarify the cubed thing. So sometimes you'll see a cubed unit and you don't need to do it 3 times. And then other times you do need to do it 3 times. And so how do you know which one's which? So it's all about what it's asking for. So once you get to what it's asking for, you can stop. You don't have to keep going. So I have an example behind me. We're gonna work it and then we're gonna work the next one. So in this case, our given is 25 milliliters and we wanna know how many centimeters cubed that is. I know that for every 1 milliliter, I have 1 centimeter cubed. So I'm gonna work this problem just like normal. I'm gonna start with my given, 25 milliliters. I'm gonna put it over 1. Doesn't change what it is, it's still just 1. And then, or it's still just 25 milliliters. And then I need to multiply by my conversion factor. Milliliters needs to go on bottom to cancel, and centimeters cubed needs to go on top because that's what I wanna convert to. So that's a 1-to-1 ratio. So milliliters cancel. Now then, I stop because I'm at centimeters cubed. I don't need to go any further. It doesn't matter if this was instead something else. If centimeters cubed is what I needed to go to, then I can just stop. Okay, but let's say the problem wanted me to go to millimeters cubed. Okay, so then I've successfully converted to centimeters cubed. So now I need to get my centimeters to millimeters. So 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So I don't have a cubed right here. I just have individual numbers because that's all I know. I'd use my King-Henry dyed conversions to figure out the relationship between centimeters and millimeters. So then I need to do it 3 times because centimeters cubed is really saying centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. So I'd convert and I'd say 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, and that cancels out only one of them. And this is when I would have to do it 3 times because I'm trying to go from something other than centimeters cubed. So pretty much if you're just converting from milliliters to centimeters cubed, you're good. But if you're ever going from centimeters cubed to any other cubed, that's when you need to do it 3 times. Or if you have a squared to a different squared, you need to do it 2 times. And so it just kind of depends on the problem. So you have to look at your units. And so then we'd have to do it 3 times in total. So then I would do it again, and I'd have 1 centimeter and then 10 millimeters. So centimeters cancel centimeters. I would do it one more time for you. And so that way, centimeters cancel centimeters, and now we have millimeters cubed on top. And so we know we did it right, and we can stop when we have the right units that are not crossed out. So I wanted millimeters cubed, so I have 1, 2, 3, which would be millimeters cubed because it's times 3 times. And all my other units are crossed out. So that being said, if you have other things that you need to look at your units. So your units are leading you on what to do. So you need to understand when you see it cubed, it means it's multiplied 3 times. Now, if that's all you want, then you're good to go. But if you have to convert that cubed into some other cubed, that's when you would need to do it 3 times, is when you're converting a cubed into a different cubed. So here I had to convert the centimeters cubed into millimeters cubed. So that's why I needed to do it 3 times. Hopefully that helps clarify. If not, I can make another YouTube video and we can work a lot more examples, okay?